Welcome back to our channel. If you've been on the lookout for a fantastic opportunity to turn your online job from virtual to reality, then listen up, because today we've got something exciting to share with you. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest job opportunities and work from home tips. Alright, let's get into it. You heard it right, folks. Live chat assistants are in huge demand worldwide, and it's time for you to seize this fun and rewarding opportunity. Picture this. You get to make money from the comfort of your own home while helping customers, providing sales links, and even offering discounts. Talk about limitless potential for growth in this field. But wait, there's more. The best part about being a live chat assistant is the flexibility it offers. The hours vary each week, which means you can easily fit this gig into your schedule, even if you already have another job. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, this opportunity has got you covered. Now, here's the best part. We don't require any fancy qualifications. As long as you have a device like a phone, tablet, or laptop that can access business chat functions, such as social media or website chat, you're good to go. It's that simple. And don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius either. If you can follow instructions and work independently, have a reliable internet connection, and reside in a country where this opportunity is available, then you've got what it takes to excel in this role. So, are you excited to embark on this incredible journey as a live chat assistant? If you want to say goodbye to long commutes and hello to a more flexible and rewarding work from home lifestyle, then don't hesitate. Seize this opportunity now. The link to the application is right there in the description below. Click it, complete your application, and who knows, you might just be the next superstar live chat assistant. And as always, if you found this video helpful, give it big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends who might also be interested in this fantastic opportunity. We're here to support you on your journey to success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep living that work from home dream, and remember, you've got this. Right finger click the link in the description to start your application and become a live chat assistant today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more work from home opportunities and helpful tips. Thumbs up, give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about this amazing job prospect. Speech balloon, leave a comment below if you have any questions or wants to share your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care and happy chatting. Glowing star.